What's up guys, Zilla Trades here with a brand new video. Is gold going to go to a new high or not? That's what many people ask me, and I'm going to answer it today because the NFP is coming out, so there will be a lot of direction. Let's dive in. So right in front of us we have the NFP data of the last couple of months. And this is a very important data for gold prices, because right now we are looking for data to support a rate cut or not support a rate cut. And as you know, if it does support a rate cut, we will have higher gold prices. So on the last couple of months, we saw a decline in NFP reports. So a lot of jobs were lost, and we saw it all the way down to 22. So that means that it was almost negative. And guys, if the next NFP data comes in negative, we will see a huge rally for gold again, which will break all-time highs. And I can promise you that. But if the NFP data comes higher than expected, we will see probably a huge downward pressure on gold prices, because a lot of traders will bet against a December cut, which will mean bad news for gold. So let's move on the next data point. So here we have the rate cut bets on interest rates. And we clearly see that on the 10/12/2025, so 10th December, we see a 31% rate cut bet. And that is very low. That's a very low number, because here on the next data point we can see that on the right corner we can see that 1 month ago the rate cut bet was 98%. So people thought 1 month ago that there was a 98% chance of a potential rate cut in December, and that has dropped significantly because of the remarks of Jerome Powell in the Federal Reserve. So the next thing we're gonna look at is the NFP data. So that means that this NFP data is the most important data that we have had for gold in the last 2 months. So I hope, guys, we will get a lower NFP data, because that means that gold prices are going to go up. And if not, we will have some downward pressure. But in the end, guys, it doesn't really matter, because my long perspective for gold is up, and I think we have a high chance that $5,000 is going to be hit. So in summary, this is what I have for the predictions. If the NFP comes above 50 and a little bit really high, so around 150, we will not see a clear breakout, because the rate cut bets will probably decrease or stay the same level. But if the NFP comes below 50, because that's the current forecast, right? So between 49 and 22, even below 22, that's the highest possibility of a breakout of the all-time high. So it really depends on the NFP data. If we get the NFP data above 50, no clear breakouts for the next month until the next NFP. And if we come below 22, guys, if we come below 22, even negative numbers, we will see a huge breakout for gold. So that's my predictions. I hope you guys learned a lot. If you have any question, check them down below, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.